continuing our series in the homemade milling machine. This is the progress that we achieved until now. In the last episode, we explained how we've made the table, the moving table, and its axis, this and its screw. And now we're gonna explain a bit about the head we were making. So this is a component of the head. This head is composed of an I-beam and two rails. Here we have an angle bar. From the other side, the same two. They are at equal distance all along the rails, and there is a screw going in the middle. We're gonna show you how it is fixed. There is a bearing downside, and this is the screw that elevates, that controls the height of the head. As you can see, this is the angle bar from this side and from that side. At the moment they are rough until we will grind them or we will surface them to have a smooth finish. And for the mechanism of the head, as you can see, there is, from one side the rail is fixed to the frame, to the head frame, and from the other side the rail is not fixed. The rail is fixed to this 6x2. The rail is fixed to this 6x2, and this 6x2 is tensioned. You look here, it is not welded. There is a screw right here that screws in this. This is fixed to the frame. This is fixed also to the frame. The rail is like tensioned. When the screw is tightened, it goes like this, and from this side it is stable, so it will like hold tight to the rails when you want to elevate the head or leave it down. And this screw is, this is the nut and the screw connected. As you can see, this is not fixed to this at any point. It is a separate unit, fixed only by this screw that works like a tensioner. And for these parts, this part will slide right here. It is larger. From this side and this side are the same dimension. This piece will be larger than this side, then it will be larger than this side. It will hold it like this, so it can slide and be tightened at each location. So we would have all of this access to attach the angle grinder on it. This is the attachment for the angle grinder. It bolts on with 2 bolts. And from this side it is not fixed, but I will do a clamp that will clamp it from the back and will clamp the angle grinder with it. And so this plate, we explained a bit about it over there. There would be an angle bar that will be bolted onto it. It will be punctured in the middle, and this will be attached to it from the side. So when it is attached from the side, by a bolt, it can rotate like this, and from here it can rotate like this. So when we fix this on the slider, the angle grinder will have 2 axes of rotations, an X and a Y, and for elevation we have the Z. And with the angle grinder we will grind this table flat, so we can proceed in making the Y axis.